This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days Bryony bookmark. It's a great little project, ideal for using up scrap pieces of fabric. You can make them in any colour combination you wish. You can add ribbon or a tassel as I've done. The choice is endless. And this is how we make them. Today I'm going to be making this one. Using your template, cut out 2 pieces. The choice of fabric is up to you. And you'll also need a small piece of ribbon. Place your 2 fabrics right sides together, so pretty side to pretty side. If you did want to add some interfacing, you could do. So iron it onto the back of one of your fabrics. Next, add a few clips along this long edge and this long edge. I've lined up my fabric, I've added my clips, and now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all along this edge and all along this edge. We're not sewing along the bottom or the top. I've sewn all along this side and all along this side. It's quite hard to see with the white cotton. Next, pop your hands inside, open out, best on the ironing board this is, and line up this seam and this seam together, and the same at the bottom. Take your iron and press open all along the seam on both sides as well. I've pressed open the seams and I've ensured that it's in the centre. I'm now going to take it over the sewing machine, 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way across. I've sewn across and I've also snipped carefully each corner, and I've folded over 1 centimetre the bottom. Now I'm going to turn it the right way out. I've turned it the right way out and I've carefully pushed out the corners and I've pressed it. Now take your ribbon or your tassel, whatever you've decided to use, and place it on that centre line there. Add a clip. I've added a couple of clips. Of course, you might find it easier to use pins at this stage. Once your ribbon's in the right place, take it over your sewing machine once again and sew 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way across. And that's your Happy Days Bryony bookmark all finished.